Hi, in this video, we will see how to scrape emails from public Facebook pages and profiles by just using a single tool. This tool allows you to gather email addresses and other available details from public Facebook pages and profiles without requiring high-end hardware or a lot of manual work. By defining keywords and other simple settings, you can automate the data collection process to gather valuable contact information quickly and efficiently. The software is designed to run on almost any computer setup. Whether you have an i3 processor with 4 GB of RAM, this tool performs efficiently. Additionally, it doesn't require a license key, so you can download it once and use it across multiple systems without any restrictions. To download this software, please check the link provided in the video description. Once you download the software from the link in the video description, you'll receive a zip file like this. Simply extract it and open the folder. You'll see that there are 6 files. These include the necessary browser drivers, a video tutorial to install the Chrome driver, and a documentation guide in case you need further instructions. For this demonstration, we'll focus on the main executable file, the .exe file. This .exe file doesn't require any installation or a license key. Just double-click and you can run it on as many systems as you need without any installation. When you open the software, a splash screen will appear briefly, and then you'll see an interface with options, starting with a keyword prompt. Here, you can click on Edit here to define the specific keywords you want the scraper to focus on. Keywords help narrow down the search to find pages and profiles that are most relevant to your needs. For example, if I'm looking for companies who provides investment guidance and services, so I'll enter investment company here. This will ensure that the software targets pages or profiles containing this keyword. You can add multiple keywords if you want to broaden the search. And if you accidentally add a keyword you don't need, simply select it and click delete, or you can clear all keywords at once. Additionally, if you have a list of keywords in a text file, you can upload that file directly. Just ensure each keyword is on a separate line. After setting up your keywords, you'll move on to email types. Here, you'll see options for public emails, such as Gmail, Yahoo, and Hotmail, etc. If you select public emails, the software will scrape these common free email types. On the other hand, if you're interested in business contacts, you can select custom domains, which will target emails with business-specific domains. This is especially useful if you want to gather more professional contact details. Next, you'll find the option to set the number of pages to start scraping from and the number of pages to extract. The starting page option allows you to choose which page the software should begin scraping from in the search results. For instance, if you want to skip the first few pages, you can set it up to that number here. The number of pages to extract defines how many pages of data you want to gather. For this video tutorial, I'll keep it at 5 pages, which is enough to show you how the software works. However, if you're looking for more data, you can set this up to a larger number. After setting the page options, you'll see an option to select a country. Here, you can choose the country you want the scraper to focus on. For example, if I select United States, the software will prioritize data from profiles in that region. You can choose any country that aligns with your target audience. Next, we'll configure the browser engine. By default, Chrome is selected, but you can also choose Firefox if you prefer. If you're using Chrome, make sure to install the included Chrome driver by following the video tutorial provided in the zip file. This step ensures the tool can automate the browser effectively without interruptions. For this demonstration, I'll use Firefox as it doesn't require any driver to install first. Now, we'll move to the Export to Folder Path section. Here, you'll specify the location where the scraped data will be saved. I'll set it to the desktop for easy access. Next, you'll have to name the file, which is helpful if you're running multiple scrapes with different keywords or settings. I'll name this file as FB Investment Company's Data US. You can also choose the file format. By default, the format is set to Excel, which is easy to work with and widely compatible. If you prefer HTML, you can select it here, but Excel format is usually the most straightforward for managing large data sets. Once all settings are configured, you can click Next Step to review everything. If you need to make any changes, just click back to adjust any settings. When you're ready, click on the Start Process button. When prompted, click OK to disable all browser alerts so the process runs smoothly without interruptions. The scraping process has now started. And as you can see on the screen, it's fetching data in real time. This software works quickly, so we won't have to wait long. As I said, the software is fast, so the data has been scraped. Because we gave it a small number of 5 pages to scrape, so it has given us this less data. And one thing to keep in mind here. This tool only gathers data that's publicly available on search engine from Facebook. This means if a user's email isn't public or isn't indexed, it won't be scraped. The software acts as an automated search engine bot, building search queries based on your inputs, so it can only collect what's openly accessible. That's how it works, and that's all for this video. If you want to try this tool, you'll find the download link in the video description. Thank you for your time.